Hey YouTube, this is Knife Specs Review showing you part 2 of the Cap Gun BB gun video. So, last video we just talked about the gun itself. Now, today we are going to be talking about the caps themselves. So, basically, I think this one's used, but anyways, so basically how these caps work is there's about 20 grams of gunpowder in them. Or 20 grams, 0.2 grains of gunpowder in them, and then a little piece of paper just to keep the gunpowder from falling out. Now, last video I told you guys that I was going to be doing a video on how to superpower them. So, basically how you power them, it's very, very simple. Is you just take a cap, put it upside down, right? Hang on. Okay, no, wait. I don't know if you can see, but anyways, okay, so you take a cap, and you just poke the bottom of it, like this. See? Okay? And then you'll see this little fine powder come out. Alright, so then you take your, oh shit, oops, that was a fail. So then you take your, oh, where'd it go? Okay, whatever. Okay, so then you take your powder, and the cap that you wanted to use, put the powder in the cap, in one of these caps here, alright? And then take one of the pieces of paper and put it over the top. So then you have double power. Now, if you want to do triple power, do the exact same thing, and so on and so on. But I think you can only do up to like 4 before it won't go into the cap gun properly. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this short video on how to do super caps. And this is the end of the Cap Gun BB gun series. Thank you very much. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.